So in this video, you are going to study about formulas related to expenditure method. So by expenditure method, we find GDP-MP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus GDCF and plus net exports. GDCF means gross domestic capital formation. So we will work on in this number third, that is GDCF, gross domestic capital formation. So there may be three adjustment to find gross domestic capital formation. Number one is gross domestic capital formation is equal to gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. If gross domestic fixed capital formation is given, then change in stock is to be added to find out gross domestic capital formation. Number two is if net domestic capital formation is given, then depreciation is to be added to find out gross domestic capital formation. And number third is if net domestic fixed capital formation is given, you have to add change in stock and depreciation to convert it into gross domestic capital formation. Means if net domestic fixed capital formation is given, then change in stock is to added to make it NDCF. Okay, and then depreciation is added to make it GDCF. Clear? Okay, so I hope you have understood these formulas. So we will do numericals one by one. One more thing I want to explain here, investment expenditure. Investment means addition to existing stock of physical capital as intermediate goods are used up in the production process of making other good. So capital goods get partially depleted in producing other goods and services. So this is called depreciation of fixed capital. So investment may be of two types, that is gross and net. Gross investment and net investment. So gross includes debt, already it includes, and net excludes debt. So you can see here question number 1 we are doing GDP MP we have to calculate. Private final consumption expenditure is given, government final consumption expenditure is given, gross domestic fixed capital formation is given, change in stock is given, exports and imports are given, NIT is given. So what to do? First of all, we have to calculate in expenditure method. First of all, we calculate GDP-MP, and in our question GDP-MP is given to calculate. Okay, so PFCE plus formula we have to write GFCE plus GDCF plus change plus net exports. So what to do? 15,000 plus 11,500 plus GDCF. This we have to work. Here gross domestic fixed capital formation is given, so you have to add change in stock also. So 1,000 plus 200. This you can show with the help of formula also. Net exports minus imports, so 500 minus 700. So here your answer will be 27,500, and if the value is given in crores, so you have to write in crore. If the value is given in lakhs, you have to write in lakhs. Okay. Now you can see here question number 2, NNPFC. NNPFC we have to calculate, and the second type is given. First we did gross domestic fixed capital formation was given in question. Now here net domestic, this one, net domestic fixed capital formation, net domestic capital formation is given. So procedure is same, but we have to calculate GDCF, gross domestic capital formation. If you want to find out gross domestic capital formation, so what to do? You have to add depreciation in net domestic capital formation and DCF plus debt. So I write here formula GDP MP. In expenditure method we calculate GDP MP. Then private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure. Sequence may be changed, no issue. Then GDCF, gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Okay, so what to do? PFCE, that is 200 plus GFCE, where is GFCE? 60, and plus GDCF we will take 2, and DCF plus debt, and NDCF plus debt, that is 70, plus consumption of fixed capital is depreciation here 15. Okay, plus net exports. Where is net exports? Uh, Only exports and imports both are given. So exports minus imports to 20 minus 20. It is 0. Okay. So 260 plus 85. So the answer is 345. National income we have to calculate NNPFC, GDP MP will write here on right hand side what is given, what to calculate we will put on left hand side. Gross to net you will go minus depreciation. Okay, domestic to national you will go plus NFIA, and plus market price to factor cost minus NIT you will do. Okay, so GDP MP 345 minus DAP is 15 plus NFIA. LFIA is given in minus, so you will take minus sign will come. Okay, 5 and minus NIT, net indirect tax. Indirect tax minus subsidy is given. So minus NIT, okay, 40 minus 10. So it is 345 minus 15 minus 5 minus 30. So it will come to 95 crore. So here you can see national income we have to calculate. So last third method is means the type will be given and net domestic fixed capital formation will be given to you. So you have to find out GDCF. Okay, because in formula you have GDCF. So GDP MP, same procedure, PFC plus GFC plus GDCF plus net exports. Okay, net exports. So PFC is given 900, 200, GFC, GDCF will take 2, net domestic fixed capital formation, फिक्स की वजह से चेंज इन स्टॉक आएगा, ये आएगा, और depreciation, where is depreciation? Depreciation is not given. Net domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. Consumption of fixed capital, that is given 60. So DAP is given 60. Okay. So GDCF net domestic 120 plus change in stock minus 20. Now it will come minus 20. Okay. Plus depreciation 60 plus net exports. Net import is given, so we will take in minus 10. Okay, so how much? It is 1250. So we have to calculate national income and NPFC. GDP MP will write here gross to net minus DAP, and market price to factor cost minus NIT, and domestic to national plus NFIA. Okay, so 1250 minus DAP 60 minus NIT 150, and plus NFIA, where is NFIA, minus 10. Okay, so this much you can calculate this. It is 1250 minus 220, that is 1010 is your answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood all three methods. Means in board, direct gross domestic capital formation will not be given. So if other types are given, so you have to find out gross domestic capital formation. If NDCF is given and net domestic fixed capital formation is given, gross domestic fixed capital formation is given, so you have to add accordingly.